SolidWorks Simulation, Lecture 13, Drop Test of a Steel Bar. Open a drop test study. For the material, I'll choose 1020 mild steel. And the mesh will be coarse mesh to save time. Now I'll define the gravity and the height of the object. I'll make it 20 meters high, which is about 7th floor. And the direction of gravity will be on y direction. So I'll choose XZ plane and reverse direction. This will be minus y direction and will be defined as the gravity, the direction of gravity. And this is the magnitude of gravity. So this object was released from 20 meters high, or the 7th floor, and the gravity is downwards. Now I'll define the velocity. The velocity is in the direction of plane 1, reverse direction, and at a speed of 50 meters per second. This means that in this arrow, a person threw this steel bar from 7th floor at a velocity of 50 meters per second. So it is not dropped from rest condition. It is released with a velocity of 50 meters per second. Someone threw the steel bar from 7th floor. Okay. So now I'll set up the result option, and the calculation time will be, for example, 1500 microsecond, and I'll leave the other unchanged as default. So calculate. I'll stop the recording. It took several minutes to calculate. Now let's take a look at the result animation. So you can see that the steel rod dropped from 7th floor with a velocity of 50 meters per second, and it hit the ground, and the stress, I can zoom it in, so you can see the stress build up at the end of the steel bar. So this is a function of the drop test module.